For making black chana chaat, we have taken boiled black chana. We only need a little amount of water in the black chana. So if you have some excess water in the black chana, you can remove the excess water. Now add the finely chopped onions in the black chana. Now add finely chopped boiled potato. We have chopped it. Finely chopped tomatoes. Finely chopped green chilies as per your taste. We have already added the salt when we boiled the black chana. Now put half a teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of raw mango powder or amchur powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds. You can crush them using your palms and add it. Now add the juice of half lemon. Now mix everything well. Add chopped cilantro leaves or coriander leaves on the top. Mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of green coriander chutney. You can check the coriander chutney recipe in my other video. Now mix it well. If you like it sweeter, then you can also add some sweet chutney. So now our black chana chaat is ready. While serving it, you can garnish it with some more cilantro leaves on top and enjoy it as a breakfast or snack with your family and friends.